Hello, and congratulations on getting Gate. Before we get started, let's make sure everything is ready on your front door. Gate fits standard doors. 1 3/4 inches is the optimal thickness. Anything thicker, and you can have a problem. If it's thinner, use the spacers included with Gate. Also, make sure your door is properly aligned. Now, look closely at your door. If you have a separate deadbolt and doorknob, you're ready to go. If you have a combo lock, you'll need to buy and install a separate door handle. If you have a mortise lock, Gate will not replace it. However, you can install Gate as a backup to your mortise unit, but that will require professional help. Now, open the box, and you'll find your new lock. Gate is an all-in-one device. Here's the camera, the keypad, the microphone and speaker for two-way audio, the motion sensor, and the keyhole for physical keys. To activate your Gate, remove the battery pod from the back of the unit and remove the orange sticker. Now it's time to pair Gate with the Gate app. First, go to www.getgate.com/download and download the Gate app from the App Store or Google Play by clicking on the app icon. The app contains step-by-step instructions for installing your Gate. Now, open your Gate app. Click on the Access Gate button, then enter your phone number. You will receive a 6-digit confirmation code via text. Enter the code, click Verify, then enter your name, your email address, and a name for your Gate. You can also upload a photo if you want. Now, we are going to connect Gate to your phone and Wi-Fi. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Select the Gate network. The name of the network will be a combination of Gate and a 6-digit alphanumeric code. After you select the Gate network, go back to the Gate app and connect to your Wi-Fi. After you've paired Gate with your home Wi-Fi through the app, take some time to get familiar with the device. You should be able to operate all of Gate's functions while the unit is on the demo block before changing anything on your door. And don't worry, if for whatever reason you're not 100% satisfied with your new Gate, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal outside your door. While Gate is still installed on the demo block, take it outside of your front door. Try to lock and unlock it from your phone to make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal to operate Gate remotely. Make sure that you get in-app notifications on your phone when you click the call button and that the video stream is consistent. It's time to install it on your front door. In the box, you will find a Phillips screwdriver, 3 keys, spacers for adjusting door thickness, and a USB charging cable. Start by removing your old deadbolt. If you run into any problems, check the manufacturer's instructions. With your old lock gone, it's time to remove Gate from its demo block. Simply unscrew the 2 recessed screws with the provided Phillips screwdriver and gently remove both sides of the lock. Remove the deadbolt by removing these 2 screws. Insert the Gate deadbolt in the bore hole with the up arrow on the deadbolt pointing up, then tighten the screws. Make sure that the deadbolt is in the unlocked position. Insert the front of the Gate smart lock into the deadbolt. Make sure the key paddle is in the vertical position. This is important. While holding the front of the lock, which is already attached to the deadbolt, slide the back of the lock and tighten the screws. If you follow along with the step-by-step installation instructions in the app, you will be prompted to choose your door orientation. Next, try to lock and unlock the deadbolt by turning the back. Finally, attach the battery pod. Once the lights on the front panel illuminate, installation is complete. You are now ready to use and enjoy your Gate smart lock.